कर देने वाले हैं। महाराष्ट्र में अब तक 2 लोगों की मौत हो गई है कोरोना वायरस के इन्फेक्शन की वजह से। देश में बढ़ती मौतों की संख्या के बीच सरकार ने कोरोना वायरस के खिलाफ जारी लड़ाई में एक बहुत ही अनप्रेसिडेंटेड, अभूतपूर्व फैसला लिया है। 75 जिलों को लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है और इंटर स्टेट बसों, पैसेंजर ट्रेन्स और मेट्रो सेवाओं को 31 मार्च तक के लिए बंद कर दिया गया है। इस दौरान दूध की दुकानें, किराना स्टोर, दवाई की दुकानें और पेट्रोल पंप्स खुले रहेंगे। लेट्स गो अक्रॉस टू आवर रिपोर्टर्स जॉइनिंग अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट दिस मॉर्निंग। हमारे साथ मोहित जुड़ रहे हैं और श्रेयसी और अरुणील भी हमारे साथ इस ब्रॉडकास्ट में। सबसे पहले मोहित के पास चलते हैं। मोहित, पूरे नेशनल कैपिटल में लॉकडाउन का ऐलान कर दिया गया है, आज इसका पहला दिन है।
Well, yes, Swati, lockdown has been completely implemented in Delhi, and we know for a fact that how only essential services will function as being declared by Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal, in a press conference yesterday. We know for a fact that how Delhi police has also imposed Section 144 in Delhi. That means that not more than 4 people can gather, can walk around together. So clearly, it's a complete precautionary step that the government has taken after yesterday's Janta curfew. We know for a fact that how people were inside their houses, and this lockdown, many experts say, is needed. Right now, I am standing here at Mandi House. This is the roundabout of Mandi House, Swati, which is on a usual day. You'll see heavy traffic through this point at 8 a.m. But you can see still few of the cars are plying. Now, these cars, we had word with the people who are commuting to these cars. They say that they work in private offices and hence they have to go to their offices. Very few cars are plying on the road. We can still see some of the pure public transport also. We can see autos here. But yes, if we talk about normal days, the footfall, the traffic fall here is very less. So clearly a precautionary step has been taken by the government, and you can see this road which leads to Mandi House and Babar Road, it's been completely barricaded by police. No vehicle is allowed beyond this point. So it will continue till 31st of this month. So these are the precautionary steps that have been taken. We know for a fact that how the whole country yesterday joined in for the public curfew that was being appealed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and now we see that due to this lockdown, very few cars are on the road. But then people will have to understand that it's for their safety only. Only essential services like groceries, milk products and other essential services will keep functioning. People do not need to panic, and the government has also said that people do not need to hoard the essential items like food grains, like milk and other products. There is adequate supply of that. People do not need to hoard them. People do not need to panic.
Buying. That's what the government is appealing to the people. Let's also go across to Shreyasi. Shreyasi, given the rise in the number of positive cases in West Bengal, now there's a lockdown which has been announced in that state as well. Many districts are going to be facing the lockdown from today.
Well, here in West Bengal, 23 urban and rural areas have been put under lockdown, including Kolkata and its adjoining areas. This will begin from 5 p.m. today and will continue till the 27th here in West Bengal. Of course, emergency services which have been listed by the government will be functioning, and also vegetable shops, milk shops will be open. However, there is nothing to panic, but of course, the state government has made sure that people follow the rules and regulations that have been set up by the center and the state to avoid any sort of gathering to contain this spreading of COVID-19. Here in West Bengal, 3 more tested positive last evening, and what could be a worrying scene was this 22-year-old patient who had tested positive, the second case in West Bengal. That particular patient's mother, father and domestic health has now tested positive. 8 other reports of 11 people who had come in contact with this particular patient is also under observation. Those reports are pending. So, of course, the number has shot up to 7 in total here in West Bengal, and the state government keeping a very close watch. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at 4 p.m. will be chairing an all-party meeting with other parties at the state secretariat and will be addressing the media thereafter.
Right. Now, the state governments are monitoring the situation very, very closely. Let's also go across to Arunil. Maharashtra is the worst affected as far as the number of positive cases of corona are concerned. The lifeline of the maximum city, services of that has also been suspended.
Well, that is right, Swati. In fact, more than a week now, Maharashtra has been the worst affected states amongst all the regions across India, and Mumbai and Pune have been majorly affected. around 74 confirmed cases till now, at least as per the press statement from the government yesterday. Now in 2 hours, the next press statement will be awaited. There will be more cases for sure. And yes, the lifeline of the city of Mumbai, the local train, the BST bus, everything has been suspended. The buses will only be operational for employees working in the essential services, that are basically the hospital staff, the doctors, nurses, and the police personnel as well. With another significant thing that was noted yesterday was like one positive case came up from the Infosys Hinjewadi Pune campus. Around more than 25,000 workforce functions in that area. Hinjewadi Pune IT industry is still not shut down. So that has led to some panic in the Pune IT campus area, because one person has tested positive over there. With respect to Section 144, it has been implied to the entire state of Maharashtra. Assembly of more than 4 people has been completely prohibited by the state government over here. Only essential shops serving essential services, that is milk, bread, eggs, that will only be operational as per the government directives, and everything else has been majorly locked down to curb this menace of coronavirus. Yesterday, we also saw one important thing, that was after the Janta curfew that was imposed at 5 p.m. In some places of Maharashtra, some places of Gujarat, people could be seen coming on the roads as if it was some festival. So that needs to be majorly avoided. And there were some parliamentarians that spoke about it, saying that people should not come on the road, because this fight
in some places social distancing actually went for a toss. Stay on with us, Arunil, Shreyasi and Mohit. We have some reactions also lined up.
इस लॉकडाउन के तहत कोई भी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सर्विस अलाउ नहीं की जाएगी। इसमें प्राइवेट बसें, टैक्सी, ऑटो रिक्शा, रिक्शा, ई रिक्शा, ये अलाउ नहीं की जाएंगी, ये बंद होंगी। डीटीसी की बसें 25% चलेंगी, और वो इसलिए ताकि जो एसेंशियल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करने वाले लोग हैं दिल्ली के अंदर, वो अपने अपने गंतव्य स्थान पे जा सकें। दिल्ली के सारे शॉप्स, बाज़ार, कॉमर्शियल इस्टेब्लिशमेंट, फैक्ट्री, वर्कशॉप, ऑफिस, गोडाउन, वीकली बाज़ार, ये सब बंद रहेंगे। दिल्ली से सटे हुए सारे स्टेट्स के साथ जो दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स हैं, ये बॉर्डर्स सील कर दिए जाएंगे, एक्सेप्ट जो एसेंशियल आइटम्स आने हैं। मान लीजिए पड़ोसी राज्य से दूध आ रहा है, सब्जियां आ रही हैं, खाने पीने का सामान आ रहा है, जो एसेंशियल आइटम्स हैं केवल वो अलाउ किए जाएंगे, बाकी बॉर्डर्स सील कर दिए जा रहे हैं। इंटरस्टेट बसेस, ट्रेन्स और मेट्रो सर्विसेज ये भी सस्पेंड की जा रही हैं। कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी सारी दिल्ली के अंदर बंद की जा रही है। जितने रिलीजियस प्लेसेस हैं, किसी भी धर्म के हों, वो सारे बंद किए जा रहे हैं।
लॉकडाउन करने की कार्रवाई प्रदेश सरकार आगे बढ़ाने जा